Kung gusto nyo ng peaceful na buhay balang araw, whether you choose to be single for the rest of your life or you choose to be married one day, ang kailangan nyo ay sense of stability. Because whether you're single or you're in a relationship, kung punong-puno ka ng insecurity, hindi ka magiging peaceful. If you're always threatened by the people around you, you'll never be peaceful. Mag-isa ka pa lang nun Imaginein mo naman kung may partner ka na. If you think a healthy partner ay ang sagot sa insecurities mo within, you're wrong. Mahahawaan mo lang sila. At the end of the day, kawawa lang sila sa'yo. Yung magiging future partner mo habang insecure ka at wala kang stability, kawawa sila sa'yo. Kasi kahit wala silang maling gawin, takot ka. Kahit wala silang gawin, threatened ka. Kahit wala silang gawin, insecure ka. Kaya napaka-importante mag-heal. Ladies and gentlemen, my young kings and queens, deal with your unresolved issues. Also, appreciate the people who tell you in front of your face what the hell is the problem with you. Kasi at least meron silang sense of reality. Hindi nila sinusugarcoat ang mundo sa inyo. Kapag sinabi nilang OA ka, OA ka. Hindi ko naman sinasabing tanggapin nyo lang lahat ng insulto sa mundo. Pero ang sinasabi ko, you have to be able to self-reflect. Kung usapang emotional intelligence lang naman, di ba? Then you have to be self-aware. Gets? So kapag nakatanggap ka ng kritisismo na ganyan, manalamin ka. Ang punot dulo lang naman palagi ay self-improvement. And improvement doesn't happen overnight. Process and progress yan sa buhay. But the most important thing is start now. Start as early as now. So whether you're single or in a relationship or married at this moment, still, self-reflect. Kasi ang reality lang naman yan, kayo mismo nagdadala ng chaos sa utak ninyo. Ang masaklap, kung meron kayong partner, kayo mismo nagdadala ng chaos sa relationship ninyo. Yun nga lang, unaware kayo na nagagawa nyo yun. Ine-entertain nyo kasi palagi yung overthinking mind ninyo and you think that everything in your mind is gonna happen. It already happened and it's true. And then at the end of the day, you have to be reminded again. Magkaroon naman kayo ng sense of stability. Kung pakiramdam mo, okay, magkaiba to kung pakiramdam mo, lagi kang ipagpapalit, ikaw ang problema. Pero kung pinaparamdam niya yun sa'yo, siya yung problema. Know the difference. Nice.